My name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly. If ever you have questions, comments, or just for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com. We can interact with others on this episode, past others. Use the contact form, email me directly, and of course, if you're already on YouTube, the comments box is down below. And if you want to get these future episodes 24 hours in advance of everyone else, and of course make the show better, go to patreon.com/TQA Weekly and become a patron today. Today is the last episode of Season 6. Next week will be Season 7. You get a little perk, because I get to show you, demonstration-wise, how to get Bash in Windows. So that brand new Linux subsystem available only with Windows 10 Anniversary Edition. That would be version 1607. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have completely updated Windows. So you go to Windows Update and you update it as much as possible. Once you are at this point, you need to figure out which Windows you have. So let's start the demonstration. So in order to figure out which Windows you have to click on the Start and go to the gear. Obviously, if you have this, you're pretty sure that you have the latest Windows. But if it's written settings, click on it anyway, or just click on the gear. Inside of here, you'll click on System. Under System, you'll click on About, and the version is 1607. Then you'll back out and you'll go to Windows Update and Security. You'll click for Developers, and then instead of using Windows Store apps or side-loaded apps, you'll click on Developer Mode. You'll be requested to restart the computer. This is entirely normal. Once Windows has restarted, you'll right-click the Start icon and click the Control Panel. That's the easiest way to go to it. And under Programs, you'll go to turn Windows features on and off. You're almost at the end, by the way. You'll scroll all the way down, and then you will select this, the Windows Subsystem for Linux Beta, to which you'll check it, click OK, and it will install, and of course, have to restart Windows. This is normal. You're going to have to restart Windows twice for this entire thing. But no, you are not done yet. Bash still has to do work, but the easiest way to request Bash is to use Cortana or the search option, to which you finally get to bash in Windows. The first time you load this, it will request a username and a password. This will allow you to actually use this prompt as you would Linux, and it does not need to be the same as your own computer. Then, the very first command you should be using, just in case, is the update command, which is sudo, sudo, apt-get space update. And when you click enter for the first time and you haven't used sudo or su yet, or the superuser command inside of Linux, it will require your password before running. If you've already used it, it will simply run. But the first time you do it, you will have to put in your password. And once this is done, you are done. That's it. If you're used to using Linux, you can start using it like you would any other Bash terminal. Otherwise, wait for a future episode and I'll tell you what you can do with this brand new terminal in Windows. If you liked this episode, like it. If you disliked it, disliked it. Leave comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you want to make this show better and get these episodes 24 hours in advance for everyone else, go to patreon.com/TQA Weekly and become a patron today. Thank you in advance and have a great day. Goodbye.